Good morning, my dear students. I hope you all are doing very well. This is Sangeeta Mahavar, your English teacher, and today we are going to start a new chapter of your textbook that is of English grammar. So let's get started. So students, that is chapter 12, comparison. The name of the chapter is comparison. Read these sentences. Varun is a tall boy. Aman is taller than Varun. So in first sentence we are simply saying that Varun एक tall boy है. But in second sentence we are comparing Varun with Aman, that Varun is taller than Aman. Third sentence, Mohan is the tallest boy in the class. We compare Mohan and other boys of the class. So here tallest and taller are the words for comparing one thing with the another, or one living thing with the another living thing. Comparison between two things or person. Aman is taller than Varun. Here we are comparing Aman and Varun with the word taller. My eraser is smaller than yours. Here smaller word is used to compare eraser of both of the girls or boys. The blue sharpener is bigger than the red sharpener. Here, the non-living thing sharpener is getting compared with each other by the word bigger. When we compare two person, things or animals, we use er form of the adjectives. Example, tall plus er, that is called as taller, small plus er, smaller, big plus er, that is bigger. When we compare two things, we use er form of adjectives. We also use than. So now we will do a book exercise. Fill in the blanks with the correct form of the words given in brackets. So we have to fill the brackets according to the words given. This book is dash than that one, and the last light is given. So we add er in light, so it becomes lighter. Mohan is stronger. We are adding er at the back of strong, so it becomes stronger, and we are comparing here Mohan and so on. Now students, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and all of these you have to do by your own. There are some big words which cannot be used for comparison by adding er. We have to add more before these words. कुछ वर्ड्स ऐसे होते हैं जिसके आगे हम लोग er फॉर्म नहीं लगा सकते हैं, तो हम उसके फ्रंट में more यूज करते हैं. एग्जाम्पल, कंफर्टेबल. For this, more comfortable. Beautiful, more beautiful. Make comparison using the words in the bracket. Now we have to compare the words by using this. Compare in the sentence by using these words. I am dash in this seat than that. Here, comfortable word is given, so we add more in front of comfortable, and we write like this: I am more comfortable in the seat than that. Second, Jyoti is more beautiful than Meena. Here beautiful word is given, and we have just added more before beautiful. This book is more interesting than that one. Here before interesting we have just added more. Now student, 4, 5 you will try by your own. Comparison between more than two things or person. When we compare more than two things or person, we add est. As we will read this sentence. Manya is the tallest girl in the class. Here we are comparing Manya with all the girls of the class and saying that Manya is tallest. So that's why After tall, we have added est, that is tallest. The blue box is the largest of all the boxes. Here also same. Vinod is the strongest boy in the class. So tallest, largest and strongest are the words which are used for comparing more than two things or person. When we compare more than two persons or things or animals, we write est from form of the adjectives. Fill in the blanks with the correct form of words given in the bracket. We have to fill the blanks with the correct word. The red car was the biggest amongst all the car. Here the word big is given and we just add est at the back to make it biggest. Today is the coldest day of the month. Here cold word is given and we have just added est at the end of the cold. So it becomes coldest. Now students, further you will try by your own. Some big words cannot be used for comparison by adding est. We have to just add most before these words. Example, comfortable, most comfortable, beautiful, most beautiful. Make comparison using words in the bracket. This is the most beautiful painting in the exhibition. Here beautiful word is already given. We have just added most to show that it is the most सबसे अच्छी painting है exhibition की. Yesterday match was the most exciting match of the tournament. Here also exciting word is given and we have just added most before exciting. So now student 3, 4 and 5 you can try by your own. Choose the correct words from the bracket. We have to choose the correct word from the bracket which is given to fill this empty space. Tarun is the most intelligent. We have just selected what? Most intelligent boy in the class. पूरी हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे तरुण को कंपेयर कर रहे हैं पूरी क्लास से. So that's why we write most intelligent. The hare is lazier than tortoise. हम बता रहे कि जो hair है वो लेजियर है किससे? er यूज करके, क्योंकि हम एक ही दो जनों को कंपेयर कर रहे हैं. मोर देन दो जनों का कंपेयर नहीं कर रहे, ओनली दो जनों का कंपेयर कर रहे. सो वी हैव यूज er. Now third, fourth, fifth you have to try by your own. So we use er form of adjectives. Example, lighter, more with the adjectives. Example, more important. When we compare two more than two things, animals or person, we use est or most important. These are the words er and est which is used when we compare persons, thing or animals. When we compare only two, we use er, and when we compare more than two, we use est. Now students, we will move to a further chapter, that is chapter 13, pronoun. A pronoun is a word that is used in the place of noun. Pronoun ऐसे words होते हैं जिनको हम noun की place पे use करते हैं. Example, I, we, he, she, him and her. Let's read about Pinku to understand pronouns better. Pinku is a small boy. Pinku goes to school. Pinku is very naughty, but the teacher loves Pinku. Pinku is a noun, but using it again and again does not sound right. Now let's read the sentences. Pinku is a small boy. He goes to school. He is very naughty, but the teacher loves him. Here, at the place of Pinku word, that is noun, we have just put he and him. So these are the pronoun words. Keep in mind the following pronouns: I, me, we, us, he, him, she, her, it, you, they, them. The pronoun it is used for a non-living things. We use it for non-living things. It is also used for an animals or baby when we do not know whether. Here, underline the pronouns in the following sentence. We have to underline the pronouns according to the sentence that I am not feeling well. So in this sentence, I is the pronoun. They were talking to each other. In this sentence, we put line below there. We went to grandma's house to visit her. We is the pronoun. Like this, you have to do by your own 4, 5, 6 and 7. Use pronoun in the place of the words in the bold. Here, the bold words are given and we have to use pronoun according to that. Varun is a good boy. Varun is my friend. Here, at the place of Varun, we used he because Varun is a what? Male or female? Varun is a boy, so it is male, so we used he. Sonia is my friend. Sonia is reading a book. Here, Sonia is, we use she because Sonia is a feminine gender, that's why girl, that's why we used she. Like that, Bob is a small boy. He is 4 years old. At the place of Bob, we used he. Like this, student, just try by your own. Look at the pictures and write what you see. Use the pronouns she, he, there or it. We have to look at the pictures and we have to use pronoun according to that picture. Like we can see, Dash is dancing. So who is dancing? Girl is dancing. So we use she. Dash is brushing his teeth. Who is brushing his teeth? A boy. So we use he is brushing his teeth. There are writing letters. Why we use there here? Because both of the boys are writing the letters. So for both of them we use they are writing. Next, it is roaring. For animals or non-living things we used it. So that's why we have used it here. Fill in the blanks with appropriate pronouns. We have to fill the blanks with the appropriate pronouns. Vinita will dance at the function. She is a good dancer. So why we have used she? Because Vinita is a girl and that's why we use she here. The squirrel and the monkey play together. They are good friends. Why we use there? Because squirrel or monkey both they are two and for them we use there here. Mummy loves to read dash. She reads in the library. So why we have used she here? Because mummy is a feminine gender and we can use she here. Like this, students, further you will try by your own. So students, now our pronoun chapter is finished and now we will move to our chapter 14, that is article. Article a, an and the. Use of a and an. How can we use a or an articles? Use of a or an article has a simple rule to follow. All we have to do is to listen the phonic sounds. When a singular noun begins with a vowel a, e, I, o, u sound, we use an, and if the sound is that of a consonant, then we use a. Let's understand the use of a and an with the help of examples. A letter. Here letter is a singular word, as here letter L word is make the sounds of consonant, so we use a. As same as with boy, a banana and a uniform. An umbrella, an honest girl, an aeroplane, and orange. Why we have used an here? Because U, H, A and O make the sounds of vowel. So that's why before them we have used an. Fill in the blanks with a or an. Hint, it should be that matters and not the letters. So here sound matters. कोई भी वर्ड का जो फर्स्ट वर्ड का जो साउंड होगा वो मैटर करेगा कि वहां पर ए आएगा या एन आएगा, वहां उसके लेटर्स मैटर नहीं करेंगे. सो लेट्स गेट रीड फर्दर. राहुल आस्क्ड फॉर डैश कप ऑफ मिल्क. हियर कप का साउंड मेक्स द sound of consonant, so we use a. It takes dash a to reach the school. Here our word, it makes the sound of vowel a, so that's why we use an. If you add an onion to the gravy, it tastes good. Here onion makes the sound of vowels, so we use and. Like this, student, just try by your own. Honor, honest, both these words begin with the phonic sound O, a vowel sound. Hence we used an honest man and honor because H is silent in these words, and we are getting the sound of vowel. More about a and an. A and an are called as indefinite articles. This means a and an are used when we do not talk about a particular person, place or thing. हम a और an को वहाँ यूज करेंगे जहाँ पर हम किसी पर्टिकुलर एक चीज की बात नहीं कर रहे हैं. We are talking about anything, so the thing is not particular, person is not particular, or place is not particular. Example, he lives in a city. अब हमें यहाँ पर नहीं पता है कि वो कौन सी सिटी में रहता है. That's why we use a before city. Can one guess about which city the sentence is? No, it is not clear at all. Therefore, we use a. Use of the. The is the definite article. We use the when we refers to a particular person, thing, place. In short, we are clear about the person, place or thing. Simply हम लोग जो the article होता है, that is definite article, जो the होता है उसे हम लोग वहाँ यूज करते हैं जहाँ पर हमको एक particular person, place और thing की बात करनी होती है. Example, He lives in the city of Agra. अब हम लोग एक पर्टिकुलर सिटी की बात करें, that's why we use the here. The hospital is near a house. अब हम एक पर्टिकुलर हॉस्पिटल की बात करें, that's why we use the here. Now fill in the blanks with suitable articles a, an or the where required. Ankur borrowed the red polo neck T-shirt we brought yesterday. Here the word is used because we are talking about a particular T-shirt. I like to take a muffin and a fruit to school. Here we are using a. It's an honor to be the monitor of the class. Here we are using an before honor and the before monitor. एक particular लड़की की बात कर रहे हैं, that's why. Now student 4 and 5 you have to try by your own. Understand the use of the. The is not used before proper pronouns. The is used before the names of mountain ranges, rivers and oceans. The unique things, before unique things or a particular thing we use the. We also use the before certain religious books, unique things and monuments like Taj Mahal, the Sun, the Qutub Minar. Fill in the brackets with a, an or the. Here we have to fill the brackets with a, an or the by saying the sentence. So students, please try by your